Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I am so excited for today's video because as you can tell by the title, we're going to be playing with a bunch of different colors and messing up my hair, which happen to be two of my favorite things to do. And I did a video similar to this on my channel already a couple of years ago where I mixed all my hair dyes together to see what color we got, and that was so much fun to film, so I kind of wanted to film something similar but using some different products. So today we're going to be using Overtone coloring conditioners. And so I have 16 different colors that we're going to be using today. We have like pinks, we have oranges, blues, a yellow, a green, we have purples, we have every color here except for red, I believe, because I could not find a red. And before I get into the video, I know that we're going through a really crazy time in the world right now, and I just want to say I hope you guys are all staying safe, healthy, and listening to what you are told. Please stay inside as much as possible because you may not think that it matters, but it really does. And it feels really weird to sit down and film a video with everything going on right now, but I really need an escape from everyday life, and I hope that my videos can be an escape for you guys as well. And with that being said, let's just get right on into the video.
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth around my neck on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth around my neck on my gold chain. My ghosts and my dreams gonna rescue me. Like the teeth around my neck on my gold chain.
Alright, so next we're going to apply the product, and I really hope that this is enough product to cover my entire hair because that would really suck to have to go into all those different colors and mix them together again. But instead of having to go into each color again, I'm going to go into the Remedy Colorless Hair Mask, which is really amazing. I really love it. As you can see, I've used a lot of it so far, and I've only had this for like a few weeks now. So since this is a colorless hair mask, it is not going to mess with the final color we have. It's not going to change it at all. If anything, it's probably just going to dilute it a little bit, make it not as vibrant, but I don't plan to add a lot of this, so probably not by much. So taking my spatula, I'm just going to scoop out a good amount of that and add it into our mix. Alright, so now that we have that all mixed together, we're just going to start applying it all throughout our hair. Alright, so how should I do this? Okay, let's just go for it. Ooh. No turning back now. I'm actually not too mad at this color so far. It's not as dark as the last time I mixed my hair dyes together. I think it's a really cute, like, pastel-ish, pinky purple color, maybe. What am I getting? It's like a dusty... I don't know how to explain it. Alright, and surprisingly, we have quite a bit of product left, so I'm just going to scoop that up with my gloves. And this is just going to make sure that every single hair is covered in case we miss any with the brush. And that's one thing I really love about Overtone products is how easy they are to use. I never use a brush when I use Overtone products. The only reason I did this time was because I wanted to make sure that I had enough to cover my whole hair. Alright, so I'm going to leave this in for about 10 to 15 minutes, rinse it out in the shower, and I will be back to show you guys the results. Wish me luck. Hi guys, so I just rinsed out my hair and now we are ready for the final reveal. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I know it's kind of hard to see the top because it's a little dark, but this is what it looks like. I actually really love this color a lot. This actually looks like a color that I used to make with a lavender, rose, and a titanium silver color. I used to create like a mixture and it would look just like this. And my initial thought was that I was going to put this in and I was going to take it out like either tomorrow or the next day, but I actually think I'm going to leave this color in for a while because I really do like it. I'm going to show you guys the back of my head, and do not judge me because the back of my head looks ridiculous right now. I did not get a haircut before everything closed down, so okay, here we go. Alright, let me know in the comments if you guys like this color. Would you wear it? Would you not wear it? Should I keep it? Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it was a nice little escape from everything that's going on right now. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Misunderstood.